Welcome. In this video I will show you some troubleshooting tips if your Asus TUF Gaming FF laptop is not turning on. First, let's check the basics. Make sure your laptop is plugged into a working power outlet and the charging cable is securely connected to both the laptop and the power source. If it's plugged in but still not turning on, let's try a hard reset. Unplug the laptop from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button for a full 30 seconds. This will discharge any residual power and hopefully clear any temporary glitches. After 30 seconds, plug the laptop back in and try turning it on. Next, disconnect any peripherals that might be connected to your laptop like USB drives, external hard drives, headphones or mice. Sometimes issues with these devices can interfere with the laptop's startup process. If you're still having trouble, let's check the battery. If your Asus TUF Gaming F has a removable battery, power off the laptop, unplug it and carefully remove the battery. Then reinsert the battery, ensuring it's properly seated and secured. Plug the laptop back in and see if it powers on. Overheating can also prevent a laptop from starting. Ensure your laptop is not placed on a soft surface like a bed or blanket, as this can block the ventilation vents. A hard, flat surface is best for optimal airflow. Now let's examine the charging port on your laptop. Look for any visible damage, such as bent pins or debris. If you see any debris, carefully clean it out using a kind of compressed air or a soft bristle brush. If you have another charger that's compatible with your Asus TUF Gaming FF, try using that to rule out a faulty charger as the culprit. If none of these steps have worked so far, we can try resetting the CMOS. The CMOS battery is a small coin-shaped battery on your laptop's motherboard that stores BIOS settings. To reset the CMOS, you'll need to open up your laptop. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, it's best to consult a professional. However, if you're confident in your technical skills, you can find instructions on how to access the CMOS battery in your laptop's manual or online. Once you've located the CMOS battery, carefully remove it and wait for a few minutes before reinserting it. This can sometimes resolve startup issues. If you've exhausted all these troubleshooting steps and your Asus TUF Gaming F is still not turning on, it's best to contact Asus support for further assistance. They have dedicated technicians who can diagnose and repair more complex hardware issues. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.